How to connect Apple AirPods to Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily connect Apple AirPods to Android. So it's an easy process. So first thing, just head over to your Android settings, Android devices settings, and once you're inside here, just select this connection option over here and simply click on Bluetooth. That means enable your Bluetooth option. And once you enable your Bluetooth option, all of the devices nearest to your Android should be shown over here. So basically just open the lid of your Apple AirPods case and now just press and hold the setup button on the back of your case of your Apple AirPods until the flashes turns to white. And now simply scan it, and when your AirPods appear on this Bluetooth devices list, you can just tap on that particular list and pair it successfully to connect your Apple AirPods to Android. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.